Hi, I'm Richard Mann, host of Gunsite Academy NOW, and I'm at Gunsite with Gary Killingsworth from Crimson Trace.
Yep.
Gary, y'all have developed some really cool laser sight technology for shotguns and the Shockwave.
We have, Richard. So this is the Crimson Trace Lasersaddle. Crimson Trace laser sight. Laser comes out right here. You've got the choice of red or green.
Right.
3 points of activation. So ambidextrous, meaning can be ran from the left side, shorter hands. We've pretty much tried to cover that all. You know, for full-length shotgun applications, you can actually run a strip through the top and
put a rail on top.
Put a rail on top. Yep. And mount
put another red dot sight or whatever.
Exactly. Yep. Also clear on the left side, so you can continue to run a side saddle.
Yeah, which is a really good idea.
Yeah. So we're also partnering with Mossberg to where laser saddle product is available pre-installed on select Mossberg products.
Oh, that's great.
Well.
Great.
Yeah.
Buy direct from Mossberg, get a laser saddle and a Shockwave.
You got it.
Cool.
Yeah.
And you know, one of the really neat features that I like about this sight is the adjustment tool for the laser to sight it in is right here, integral to the sight, so you don't lose it.
Yep. Yeah, your full windage and elevation adjustment tool.
Yeah. So did you think of that, or somebody smart guy?
Someone smarter than me thought of that. Yeah.
All right, cool. So listen, if you're looking for a good laser sight option for a shotgun or a Shockwave, check them out at Crimson Trace, the Laser Saddle.